Jill has offers from 3 companies. She's got three job offers. Company A has offered Jill $27 per hour. Company B offered her a sales position in which she will earn 22% of her sales. And first-year sales reps average $200,000 in sales during their first year. Company C is a salaried position paying $50,000 per year. At each job, Jill will work for 40 hours per week for 48 weeks out of the year. Which job should she take? So we are, first of all, we're assuming here that Jill wants to pick the job that's going to pay her the most. So we need to go through and calculate some way to compare. And we're going to just do this per year because we already know that at Company C, she's getting $50,000 for the year. Okay, let's go to Company A. Company A, and see what she's going to get in her first year from Company A. So this is we've got an hourly rate here, and so we take that hourly rate, and to compute our wages from an hourly rate, we take the rate, which is the $27 per hour. And we're going to just multiply by the number of hours worked. So if we multiply this by 40 hours per week, 40 hours per week, okay, this is going to tell us how much she makes per week at that job. But we want to know per year because we're going to compare it to this Company C. So we're going to go ahead and multiply that by the by 48 weeks. By 48 weeks. And we see from our units that hours will cancel and weeks will cancel. And this will tell us the total dollar amount for that year. So 27 times 40 times 48. And we've got 51,840. 51,840. All right, so we know now what during that first year Jill would expect to make at Company A. Let's move on to Company B. Company B. Now, Company B is a sales position, and she will earn 22% of her sales at this job. And first-year sales reps average $200,000 in sales during the first year. So we're just going to kind of have to assume that she's going to be somewhere around average. We don't really know, and so that's kind of the best we can do. So this is a commission, and so to calculate a commission, we take the commission rate, and we multiply it by the total dollar amount in sales. So the commission rate is the 22%, and we need to write that as a decimal. So that's 0.22, and we multiply that by the total dollar in sales. We're assuming $200,000. $200,000 in sales. And now we can plug this into our calculator. We have 0.22 times 200,000. And we get 44,000. So $44,000 at Company B. And of course, Company C, there's nothing to calculate here because we are told precisely what she would get, and that is the $50,000 during that first year. And now we can go ahead and compare these three things. So we've got the 51,840, the 44,000, and the 50,000 to compare. And we can see here that, of course, that Company A will be paying her the most.